So you'll be needing the full length of the top. That's the first thing you need. You need to get the full length. After getting the full length, you need the half length measurement. It helps you in cutting to get the accurate shape. The half length measurement, which is not so far from the bust. Then afterwards, you need your back measurement, which is from the first shoulder edge to the second shoulder edge. That's how to get your back measurement. First shoulder edge to the second shoulder edge. You need your bust circumference. You take it around the person's bust, you shift it up and you bring it down again. That's how you get the exact measurement you'll be needing. You take it up and down a bit within the bust region and you have it there. After the bust measurement, another thing you'll be needing is the person's waist measurement, like the waist circumference. And the waist circumference is directly above the abdomen. That's how to get the accurate waist and have a good shape when the person wears the clothes directly above the abdomen. You'll be needing the person's sleeve, depending if the person wants sleeves to the clothes. So where we stopped the edge of the back measurement, that is where you start the sleeve measurement. If you want this long or short, depending on the length the person wants for the sleeve. Then afterwards, you need your round sleeve measurement. If it's a long one, you'll be needing the wrist measurement. If it's a short one, wherever it stops, you need the round measurement, maybe around the arm or whatsoever. You just need it. After that, you need the armhole measurement. Many people like to guess, but it's best for you to just take the person's round measurement there and divide by 2 when you want to cut your fabric. So for this person, she's 19, which will be divided by 2. That's what she's going to use for her round arm, which is like 9. You would also be needing the shoulder to the breast point for people who want to cut burstiers, princess cut, corsets. You need the person's length from shoulder to the breast point. You would also need the person's shoulder to the under bust. Yes, where the bust stops, you need it for the burstiers type of people. Then you need the shoulder to the upper waist. Like I said, the upper waist is directly above the abdomen. We have the upper waist, we have the lower waist. You need both measurements. Then you need to take from the shoulder to the lower waist too, because what we have in the upper waist is not what we have in the lower waist. Where it stops is where you now take the round circumference of the lower waist. And the lower waist is usually bigger than the upper waist. The lower waist is that part where your stomach is doing big in the most. Yeah. So you need the round circumference too when you want to take your top measurement. You'd also be needing nipple to nipple for the burstier people, the corset, and the princess dart people. You need the person's nipple to nipple measurements.